Well, we made it last night to Berea, Kentucky. On our way to Alumapalooza with Dean and Valerie. Met them here last night and got a look at their new trade-wind 25-footer and his new truck. Dean went all out. So I'll show you that when we get to Alumapalooza. We're going to get early arrival, so we're going to pull in today. Off on another adventure. The house is coming along. It's done, moved in. I got a few little things I got to do to it, some checklist items, but a lot of landscaping. Hey, I'm in, so time to go camping, and then next month we'll be on a cruise. So again with Dean and Valerie and a bunch of other people, you know. Stick around, we should be having fun. I'll show you Alumapalooza. I'll show you the inside of the trade wind, and that's a pretty truck, boy. This is Old Kentucky Campground in Berea. We met up here last night, and it's about a 3 to 4 hour hop up to Jackson Center. So we'll make that today and get there early afternoon after a few stops for lunch and gas, and we'll be on our way. Well, that was Carol. Checked us in. We just arrived at the Airstream factory here in Jackson Center, and these guys are gonna take us in. So, let's see if I can avoid doing that. There's their guardhouse made out of aluminum, of course. And the factory. Show you our spot here in a second. Well, those must be the volunteers, all lined up at the beginning of each row. I think they're going to put us right in here somewhere. Yep. All the rows are getting lined up for the Alumapalooza. But Dr. Dean has agreed to give us a tour of the inside of his new trade wind. Dr. Dean, Valerie.
Hi, Larry.
Say hi.
Hey, it's happy hour.
And a tour of the new Airstream?
We're having a great time with the trade wind.
Yeah, come on in.
So special.
New door handles, first thing I noticed. Or actually I was told, but so you don't get locked out.
The new trade wind.
Very nice. Flat instead of curved.
I decided she wanted the new color. I forget what they call it. It's a nice rust color. Terracotta is what they call it.
Terracotta.
And we opted for the queen size bed rather than the twin bed. And it's got a new 12-volt refrige, which works perfectly. Gets cold in about 4 hours or so, and we got ice. It draws very little power. It's got 2 TVs, one in here and one in the bedroom, and it's got 805 amp hours of lithium batteries and 600 watts of solar panels. And
so the deal with the trade wind is it's built to do boondocking. So it comes equipped with all the solar and.
It was 92 degrees yesterday. We were not plugged in, and we ran our AC 3.5 hours. And when it was that hot, it was running continuously, so it never cycled. So it went down to, I let it go down to about 40%. And then I turned it off, and by then it was like almost 9:30, 10 o'clock. And it was cooling down, and
so we survived the first day of Alumapalooza, the early entry. So this is 25 foot. It's the same layout as mine, but of course you have the solar panels, the big lithium batteries.
Right, and it's got the microwave oven.
Convection
oven. Yeah.
And the new cooktop with the glass tops.
Yeah, and all the doors latch, and they don't come
you're
open.
way too organized.
They don't come open. Soft close, they latch. Every drawer has a latch on it. You have to unlatch it to open it. They don't come open going down the road. It's great.
And
we got the side shower, side bathroom, and the queen size
shower. So, yeah, same as mine.
And the queen size bed here with the
TV.
Nice little 12-volt TV. And my whole Airstream functions right here. AC, fan. It's just push button. It's like nothing to it. Set your temperature controls.
Very
Nice storage. Ooh, I guess I need to change my air filter.
Yeah, because all the
got
dust
a big
we've been
changeable air filter, which is really nice.
Yeah, rather than pulling those
It's like
two vents out.
Right, it's like a house air filter. You just drop it down and replace it. But it's worked out really well.
A hanging closet and regular closet. Yeah.
The hanging closet here. Got shelves and closets there.
And curtains instead of those accordion doors.
Yeah.
Two of them.
A door here for the bedroom and a door in front of the bathroom and shower.
And the standard bathroom. Okay, this is slick. The tires are more off-road.
Yeah,
the bigger.
Tires, larger.
So it sets up 3 inches higher.
It comes with a 3-inch lift. Beautiful stereo system. You can Bluetooth to your iPad, iPhone.
JL audio.
Just works beautifully. You got speakers in the bedroom, speakers out here, and you can even turn the speakers off one place or the other.
Fantastic. Well, thank you, sir.
You're welcome. This is really nice.
Yeah.
You can see we're set up for happy hour.
Yeah, this is happy hour. We're waiting for the neighbors. And the front of the unit with the black stone. Okay. Thanks, guys. We had the early arrival at Alumapalooza, so we needed something to do for the day. It's Sunday. The event doesn't start until Tuesday. Valerie found this covered bridge, a Macaulay covered bridge. So we decided to come out and take a look at it. Right out here in rural farmland. Corn, acres and acres of corn on one side and acres of soybeans on the other side. Pretty country. Needs some rain though. Haven't had rain in a while. Macaulay covered bridge, 1876. Great Miami River. The span is 130 feet. It costs $3,103.60. I see. The rehab costs $693. Talk about inflation. Somebody didn't believe them when they said 12.6. Well, that's our trip down memory lane here today. Hi, Valerie.
We're at the Ross Bridge.
Well, we couldn't have driven under it. It's only 8 feet 6 inches.
That's
With the trailer.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. The Ross Bridge. Continuing our quest for covered bridges while we're waiting for Alumapalooza to begin. On the Tawawa Creek. It doesn't say when this one was built, though, did it? Oh, yeah, there it is. Constructed 1971. Oh, this is an artifact. This is not a real guy. This is 1971. This one was built. Well, not as many as in years past. 80 odd some Airstreams this year. I'm going to walk over to the tent. It's about the happy hour. Read the directions this year, and they didn't want anyone filming the events. So I talked to the owner of the Alumapalooza, and he said, yeah, that's right. So he said you can do background filming. So the tent's over there where the events take place, and that's the factory, of course. And here's the Airstreams. We'll see what we can come up with again, but it's been fun so far. I got my Airstream in and got some service performed on it. The mixing valve wasn't working correctly, and the hot water was sporadic. That's all resolved. Got some new tires, so baby's got some new shoes, and so I'm all set for another 60,000 miles. Took a ride over this morning to Airstream's new factory, Dean and I. Gonna check out the Heritage Center. It's their museum. It's about a mile and a half from the the original factory. Check out this guy too. What'd you say they stopped making those in the mid 80s? Sometime around then, 87?
2007.
2007, okay. Established 1931. There's the Heritage Center. Welcome to the mothership. And their little Airstream store. That should be interesting. Been here before. Check out this caravel too. Small little guy, 16-footer. Bed, TV. I guess you call that a wet bath. Small fridge, small microwave, 2-burner stove, sink. Dang it. Looks like something out of a Greek warrior helmet. Airstream clipper. .38 clipper.
When I was young, they called me sleek, dashing, svelte. Now they call me old granddad. I was born of ingenuity and necessity. You see, it was the 1930s and Americans were being reacquainted to the wild. Automobiles paved the way, and as they say, happy wife, happy life. So Wally went about figuring out how to have both his loves, his wife and the outdoors. How do you bring luxury to the open road? You might know us by our model name, the Airstream clipper. We were the first riveted aluminum semi-monocoque Airstream travel trailers. With my streamlined curves, insulated walls, elegant wood finishes, and a customized floor plan, I really was the talk of the town.
1948. 1938. Canned ham. That's what it looks like, doesn't it?
Yeah.
The gold Airstream.
This was his goal there.
1957. Wally Bynum, director, African Caravan. This is the trailer that took around the world. Airstream Bubble. 16 feet, weight 1,750 pounds. Mexico, Europe, Central America, Africa, Holy Land, Europe and the USSR, India, Far East, Hawaii, Canada, Alaska. 1963, a Bambi. I thought that was a later invention, but I guess not. Are they still doing Argosies? I don't think so. So, 1978 Argosy. It was just painted aluminum. That's going in style. Old Grandma. 1941 Clipper. This was the last one built. The map of where everybody's from had it's people from California. And I don't think the guy from France drove his Airstream here. I got a feeling he flew. The last day of Alumapalooza. It's 14. The weather's been all over the map. Last Friday it was 96 degrees and sweltering. Midweek it had a little bit of rain. It started cooling down, and this morning it was low 40s, and it's still coming back. Got the swap meet going on right now. We just had breakfast at the American Legion. It's been fun. Unfortunately, I couldn't film the events, but we had the president of Airstream give a talk, the vice president of sales, the marketing director, some of the maintenance people gave tips and tricks on maintenance. Zip the Awning was here to teach us about the awnings. Got the repairs done on the Airstream, had some great happy hours and socializing. All in all, pretty good time. Oh, finally the sun. Ooh, does that feel good. Hope it's not messing this view up. Anyway, out of here, go see my grandsons and then back home. So October, we got a cruise coming up end of October, Adventure of the Seas, leaving Miami, going to Lisbon, 12 days. And then with Dean and Valerie, and then we're flying over from Lisbon to Barcelona 4 days, and then coming back across the Atlantic on the Voyager of the Seas, 14 nights. So that should be a great trip. So stick around. Hope you enjoyed what I could show you of Alumapalooza. Let me show you the last of the Airstreams. These guys got hail damage on them. I don't know what they're gonna. I guess the insurance companies will end up with these guys. But some nice trailers. So see you soon. Hope you tune in for the cruises. That should be a great time. And Barcelona. See you later.